Day 2 of our vlog. Good morning. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi. This is Concierge Breakfast, right? Yes. Mario. Our breakfast. Oh, sige. Pause na. Let's show them what we have. Go day 2.
Diba? We are going to plant avocado. Saka sigarilyas gandules.
Tatanim po kami.
Saka
ito,
bataw.
namin,
At saka malunggay. So, if they survive, they survive. And if they don't, they let them die. Just like friends. If they survive me, they will be staying alive. If they don't like me, then it's not my loss. It's your loss. So, tanim po kami ng malunggay para humaba ang aming buhay. At si Michelle, bahala na siyang mag-harvest. Tinutulog siya dito kasi siya naman ang titira doon. Bye.
Saan kayo nakahanap ng kaibigan, guys, na magbibigay at magtitiwala sa inyo para maging bahay mo rin yung bahay niya?
500 square meter ang sayo doon.
Ano mo?
I love you.
I love you, Mamita. Para bang yung princess? 1 square meter?
Hindi ako kami nakita 1 square meter lang akin dun.
Kaloko.
Pag-counting lang sa labas yung akin.
Hindi ka makapagtayo ng tent doon.
Natin, bigla.
Malaki na yun, Mamita. Almost half a acre.
Half an acre. How many square meter?
3,000. 3,500 plus.
2,200 square foot.
Ah.
Square foot to.
Natin po natin ibalik na hindi na po mababalik. Gaya po ng sinabi ko, sa Pilipinas, pag meron po kayong baso na may lamat, ginagamit pa po ng hinayang itapon. Dito sa Amerika, may lamat kayong baso, itatapon mo kasi baka may mga tumakas na doon na bacteria.
Saka bubog.
Bubog, baka malunod mo, yung pagbubuka sa'yo sa inubuka. Kaya mo dapat, yung lamat na, hayaan na, let me go. Going, process.
Hi guys! Dito po kami sa Tampa ngayon. Kasama si Michelle. Subscribe niyo po siya. Yes. Michelle living in America.
Awesome. Marriott Hotel. Mamita in America, right there. Say hi, Mamita, to my subscriber.
Hello mga location
Lover. Yeah.
pakisuportahan po natin lalo na po ang mga mamita sa Amerika, pakisuportahan po natin ang Look Building
Look, Michelle Building. Pag-aari na po namin ito. Binili ni Marmita.
Living at kaya po matutuwa sa mamita pagkali po kayo at mag-subscribe po kayo sa kanyang channel.
Thank you, Mamita.
Yeah, that's why I like it. Start on May 20,
Plus he had some autism, so it's kind of sobrang kapal. kakain namin. Like,
Diet namin.
diet na tayo pagbalik natin. Promise, diet na kami. 24 hours diet.
Wala ba silang winter? Ulan.
Parang Pilipinas.
I have.
Ay, wow. Dito na talaga
It's
tayo.
not the middle of nowhere.
No.
No, it's
It's
not.
not really country,
So,
but
walang
it's
bawian.
quiet.
Walang kawian to.
Ayan, naka-video po kayo. Meron itong ebidensya.
Ebidensya.
Walang bawian.
Meron pang dome doon. Ayun.
At least alam ko na kung paano pumunta dito pag nag-visit ako para sa mga vegetables and fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah. Center.
Gracework.
Ah,
Oh!
church.
I'm gonna have a church.
Ay, wow!
Ay,
Grace Word Outreach.
Nagbibigay sila ng tumbler.
That's Catholic Church.
Christian church yun. Nagbibigay sila. Oo.
Yeah, no, that's one church.
Oo.
Grace Word
Nagbibigay sila ng mga ano niya, yung mga gifts sa mga nag-a-attend ng church. Mga giveaways.
Mitang tayo na.
Medical Clinic. Oh, Storage Manora.
Bisitahin ko lang kayo ni Michelle.
Basta ako ang caretaker ni Mamita.
Ay, wala rin mag-caretaker ng pamangkin siya.
I-caretaker kita. Kurikat. Tandaan ko yung kinukuhanan ko ng video Mamita para makita. Yes, because my cousin is gonna get married in Jacksonville. Hindi in Jacksonville. Traffic. So this is the town of the property. Hernando County. Hernando County. Oh, okay, come here. Hoy. Tell them.
Ano?
This is the town.
This is the town of Hernando County here in Tampa, Florida. Broxdale, Florida.
Okay.
Broxville, Florida.
Broxville. So where Mamita's land is.
Yeah? Yeah.
Very good. Vlogger na Abnor. Ayan sila. Landscape. Maganda siya. Maganda dito.
Siguro masarap yung peanut dito kasi kumain sa LBC. Umuusok-usok mo. Maning Pinas nga.
Where?
I called
On the
them.
land, right?
Yeah, on the land. I called the people up and gave them the number. They're gonna give me.
Basta yung safe sa ahas.
Ganda, di ba? Sabi ko, hawak ako ng bayan. Mahiya naman kayo. nagtatanim ng aming mga halaman. So, ito lang yung maipopromise ko mamita sa live mo. Ito, pagkakat na namin tinilukan. Diba sometimes, kasi 4 years na pa naman bagong gagawin mo, maglalagay ka na lang ng trailer. So, during the winter time, we'll be here. Papark namin yung trailer namin dito. Dito kami titira ng winter time.
I think I'm gonna join you guys.
You think
For
so?
clearing. For clearing
For
only.
clearing?
Yeah. Maybe we'll
1
stay
week?
here for 1 week.
Yeah. Yeah.
With Papa Love.
Yeah. We'll have a trailer that we will live on. So
You know, that's a nahaw. You can use that as a roof.
Yes. So bahay kubo here.
So, bahay kubo, yeah.
Ah.
That Anthony Jabala, that's what they do.
Ah.
They dry that,
Yeah.
and then they use that for a kubo house.
Oh wow.
See, and we have plenty,
Nice. I like that.
right?
Anahaw pala ang tawag dyan.
Yes, a nahaw.
Nice. Well, this
See,
is
right there, the big one right there. That's a nahaw right there.
Tsaka hindi mo na kailangan tambakan na mita.
No, you don't
Kasi
need it. No.
tingnan mo, label yung ano niya, label yung lupa mo. So ang kailangan mo lang platform para sa iyong
No, then we need to, yeah, and we're gonna do the concrete post.
concrete post.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
Nice.
Okay.
All right. We have a good feeling about it, so it's a go.
It's a go-go.
It's a go, go, go.
Gusto niyo magkakatay, interview natin yung bahay doon.
Oo, kausapin natin sila, baka pwede tayong mag-ano.
Kasi sabi niya, yung sabi ng dad niya, well, we have to wait for the survey. Yung land daw, same to
Okay. You know, I was just sitting there. That's why I was walking because I remember my dad saying that one of the people there wanted to buy the property because our land is actually on a higher elevation.
Yes.
You know, this one looks like it's lower. If you walk over here, it's
Yun,
up
higher
higher.
elevation.
So it could be there.
Eto
So it's really,
mababa.
It's really
really
good
important
to...
to get the survey.
Ayan. So, ngayon, kakain kami. Pupunta kami sa... Say hi, Mamita.
Hello, mga ka-Michelle.
Hello! Ayan, kakain po kami sa isang Thailand restaurant.
Hindi ko po alam kung saan yun.
Hanapin pa natin sa ating GPS. Ayan, yun. So,
Oh
we're
my
in the
God.
hotel.
You giving me a headache with your Chanel number 5.
Sorry.
Ayaw mo ng Chanel?
Number 5.
Number 5, no?
I like the Mademoiselle at saka si Gabriel.
Ay, wow. Sana all.
May Gabriel ako, hindi ko nga ginamit.
Hindi ko na tayo. Ito na. Labi. Okay, we're here now. We're here. Going down here.
Kasi di ba pababa yung stairs, ito yung this main entrance.
Going down there.
Down na to.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah. Down. Ito yung inano natin kanina. Yeah, main entrance. Kami kakain sa ano?
Saan sa Tampa movie?
Tampa. Tampa movie pala yan. Ay, Tampa movie pala to. Tampa movie.
Ito na, oh, picture.
A picture. Stop recording. Okay.